6PPD is a antioxidant that is added in not only in tires, but other rubber compounds or other rubber materials. They're added to prevent the cracking, extending their lifetime. And this compound, when it gets oxidized, because it's an antioxidant, this material will get oxidized instead of the rubber itself, which is the main purpose of it. But the transformation product of this 6PD is called 6PD-Quinone, which is the quinone portion of it. And it is also being found in the environment at this point is ubiquitous, is found everywhere in the world, not only in the US. And some researchers, if I don't recall wrong, is in Washington University, and they're devoting a lot of time on the study of 6-quinone and finding them, trying to find them everywhere. This is something that we are also interested in our area over here. We're very interested in some of the tire-derived materials because now these materials have been deployed in the environment very extensively, like everywhere. For example, children playground and track and field flooring. Even the tires itself have been used in gardening purposes, and turf grass also as another way that we're recycling these tires. We can be talking about a lot of all of these applications of end-of-life tires. And so we are very interested on the potential would maybe pollutants that could be leaching out from these materials in the environment, that when it rains it creates runoff, and this runoff just mobilize all these chemicals to the receiving waters, and these receiving waters will have all this wildlife. And we would like to know what are the toxic effects of these compounds, and not only 6-PPD, 6-PPD-Quinone, and other tire-derived chemicals. So that's mainly what we are focusing on and what am I very interested in, because not only environmental concerns and wildlife concerns, but also public health concerns. There are also studies that have found 6-PD and 6-PD-Quinone in human urine, which tells us that this compound is everywhere. And we've been in contact with it, and not only with tires, but I would say this is a rubber world right now, where we're using rubbers everywhere, and so these antioxidants are being used in all these rubber products. So we are being in contact with those, especially children, right, with all the toys and all that.